Alright, check this out. We now have all of the motors completely connected to a power bar. Well, actually there's more of them, but it's a separate thing. I had to have a really long line to go all the way up into the center. This is also one of the little spotlights I have. There's 4 of them. 4 other ones, so total of 5, but those ones are RGB controlled. And I forgot I placed the bars in random areas. But yeah, so you can kind of light up the room, or one of them changed. Yeah, got a little light showing here. I had a little bit more of a effect. I liked this little power cord thing I made. I didn't even know I had different shades of them, so it really fit. But anyway, the main thing I did really was design the stuff and create this upside down city, which is another section of the ball machine. I really like it. It kind of fits with the weird theme I'm going for. But right here's a tube. Right here's a little tube. It's supposed to be a path. And somewhere in the path it will trigger this core to rotate. When it rotates, it kind of have a mechanism that makes it look like a laser beams generating, and then let me put a ball in there real quick. So while it's moving, it kind of shoots down, and it's gonna fall in that 3D printer thing if I don't catch it. Yep. But that's really one part of that. Also, I made this lift. Forgot about it. It's a pump lift. I think that's what they call it. Pump lift, jigsaw lift. But there's this thing, and it just keeps on going. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like there's these little notches. The ball goes up and then gets sort of lodged, and then it just repeats. Now I'll have to figure out this counterweight problem because I don't know what's wrong with it. It's like kind of clicking. So when it rotates, it goes like maybe halfway down and then just jolts. That's not going to be good for the motor, so I'll work on that. Aside from it, I also changed the room a bit. I'm in the process of getting a new table for the turtle, so I had to get rid of the other one for more space. I also moved these out here because it would be easier than trying to struggle to get my closet. But yeah, I don't also think I've showed this. There's a really long elevator lift. The mechanism's up there. I think, yeah, it already switched, but I think I made a video of it, the mechanism for it, a while back. But yeah, it's just a simple elevator lift. Goes all the way down, and pretty much it's the main one. Let's see. Honestly, I think that's probably it. I got a new update coming soon because I will be heavily working on this and probably putting out a new video in the next few weeks because I got a lot of structural problems. One was this thing right here. I noticed last night that the long beam was hanging all the way down, and this wasn't supported, so what I had to do is create another beam also added to this wall. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's so far coming together. Kind of get a full scale view. Yeah, it's a full extent of the ball machine. It'll be looking much bigger. Voice crack. But hope you guys like it, and stay tuned. See you next time.